Okay, sir. We're all set. Hello again. Kuwait TV signing in. And for today's vlog, first time tayo makiki-meeting sa ating SKRC, Sniper Street Riders Club, yung club na sinalihan natin. So hindi ko alam kung anong maging reaction ko pag nakita ko sila. And of course, this is my first time, so yun nga, medyo kinakabahan, excited na, ewan, mixed emotion. First time ko kasing first time kong makijoin sa mga ganitong mga riding community, riding club. At hindi ko alam kung ano pa yung mga pwede nating matutunan dito, pero yun nga, meet daw kami dito sa Kamaliran bypass sa baba. Kaya sila andun na sila guys, oh. At yun, ay hello Paps. Hello. Kumusta? First time. Sana all may VR. Sana all may VR.
Kulang ako kung wala ka.
Okay mga sir. Lalarga na kami. Ayun. So on the way to Binmalay. Row, 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 row. Bip 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 bip. Bip 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 bip. So parang mag-stop over muna kami. Ganun ba?
Remember when I told you no matter where I go, I'll never leave your side, you will never be alone. Even when we go through changes, even when we're old, remember that I told you I'll find my way back home. I could never let you go, couldn't run away if I tried. 'Cause even when I'm all alone, you got a hold of my mind. And I'll always let you know that I'm always gonna hold on.
Hello mga katulay!
And I told you right from the start, you just say the word and I go. It doesn't matter how far, 'cause your love is all that I know. Baby, you just stay where you are, and you know I won't be too long. Hold on, hold on. Remember when I told
조용히 잠든 방을 열어 기억을 걸어들어 부서진 시간 위에서 선명히 너는 떠올라 길 잃은 맘속에 널 가둔 채 살아 그만 멈춘 시간 속 잠든 너를 찾아가 아무리 막아도 결국 너의 곁인 걸 결국엔 여행을 끝냈네 이젠 돌아가 너라는 집으로 지금 다시 way back home 세상을 뒤집어 찾으려 해 오직 너로 완결된